Make a great choice today with the 2008 Chevy Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, CD changer, power liftgate, remote engine start, keyless entry, tow hitch, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, anti-lock braking system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.